Hey there, awesome people. So today I have a question for you. By the way, welcome to my channel and my name is Jenny. Okay, so have you ever had a stunning image drawn by a watermark? Because I know I have severally. Okay, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Yeah, in today's video, I will show you how to remove a watermark from any image quickly, just in a few seconds, okay? And for free, yeah, using an amazing tool called watermarkremover.io. So you have to stick around because this is a game changer. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Yeah. So guys, to remove watermark from image using watermarkremover.io, the first thing to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type watermarkremover.io. Okay, see down here. You click on the first search result, which is watermark remover. Remove watermarks online from images for free. Click on it. So once you get to this place, remember it's free. So you just need to sign up with your Google account and that's all. So you scroll down once you get here, then click on upload image. Okay. So since the image I want to work on is on my desktop, I'm clicking on desktop. Then let me search for the image. Okay, it's here. Then click open once you select the image. So one good thing with this watermark remover.io is that it works on the image within seconds, and you don't need to, once you upload the image, you don't need to just click on remove watermark or anything. It just automatically removes the watermark. Once you click on upload image, it automatically removes the watermark and gives you the results, which is a picture or an image without a watermark. Now guys, I want you to see something. There's one thing I need you to see again in this watermarkremover.io. See the original image here. The watermark, I designed this image, I put this watermark and everything using Watermarkly. Okay, so if you want to watch a video on how to put watermark on images, then check my previous video on how to put watermark or add watermark to images using Watermarkly. Okay, so I designed this image, I put this watermark and everything using Watermarkly. Now I want you to see something. Since I used the free version of this, see what it did. See the watermark here, Tails and Tips Africa. That's what I added to this image. Now, because I use the free version of Watermarkly, it now puts this other watermark, their own watermark, underneath it. You can see processed using the free version of Watermarkly. The paid version does not add this mark. Okay, so now I used watermarkremover.io to remove this watermark from the image, which gives me this. So it's only removed the watermark on the image, the one I put, but the process using the free version, the watermark of Watermarkly is still there. So now what you need to do is not much. Just come down here, scroll down, come down here where you have remove text, remove logo. So this is a text, is not a logo. The watermark is not a logo. The watermark is a text. So just come down here and click on, which is you are removing the text from the image. So once you click on that, it will generate another image. It will give you another result which carries the image, only the image, without any watermark, without any text. So see the final result here, guys. So you see that this process using the free version of Watermarkly, the paid version does not add this mark. It is no longer here. You understand? So it removes the watermark and the text, everything. All you need to do is just come to remove text and click on, and that's all. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. You see, this takes just few seconds to do. Okay, Doesn't require much stress. All right, guys. So once you are done doing this, you can just scroll down, see download. So you just click on download, and the image, the results of your this thing will just download to your system. See, it is downloaded. Okay, so that is it, guys. Doesn't take much. And there you have it, guys. Problem solved. Yep. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with more awesome content like this. Okay, so do you have any other tools you'd like me to review? Then let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow creators. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Continue to stay awesome and creative. Bye.